Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about something super important if you're taking any science lab classes. How to properly use and handle science equipment. Trust me, knowing these essentials will not only make your experiments go smoother, but also keep you safe. First up, let's talk about the holy grail of lab safety, your personal protective equipment or PPE. Always, and I mean always, wear your lab coat, safety goggles and gloves. These are your first line of defense against chemical spills and other potential hazards. Next, let's dive into the glassware. Beakers, flasks, test tubes, they're all super common in labs. But remember, glassware is fragile. Always inspect it for cracks before using. And if you do break something, don't try to clean it up with your bare hands. Use a brush and dustpan and dispose of it in a designated glass disposal container. Moving on to the Bunsen burner. This little guy can get really hot, so never leave it unattended while it's lit. Make sure you know how to properly ignite and extinguish it. And always tie back long hair and avoid loose clothing to prevent any unwanted fires. Safety first, folks. Now let's talk about handling chemicals. Always read the labels and material safety data sheets before you start working with any substance. Use the fume hood for volatile or toxic chemicals and never, ever sniff or taste them. If you need to smell something, use the wafting technique. Trust me, your nose will thank you. Pipetting is another key skill. Never use your mouth to pipette. Always use a pipette bulb or an automatic pipette. It's tempting to just suck up the liquid yourself, but it's super dangerous and a big no-no in the lab. Handling electrical equipment, make sure your hands are dry and that the equipment is in good condition. Keep liquids far away from electrical outlets and equipment to avoid any risk of shocks or short circuits. And finally, always know where the emergency equipment is located. Fire extinguishers, eye wash stations, safety showers. Familiarize yourself with these before you even start your experiment. It's always better to be prepared, so there you have it. Master these essentials and you'll be well on your way to becoming a lab pro while keeping yourself and your classmates safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks on acing your science classes. Catch you in the next video.